Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Age of Engineering. I did a couple things between the episodes, not a whole lot, but I wanted to set up for what I want to do today. As you can see, I set the crystal growth accelerators up again, and I just kind of, whoops, falling down to the basement. I hooked them all up like this. I used the red Yeta wrench to rotate them, and then I put the cable facade on top like that, so you can't see that it's there. I don't have them hooked into the main system right now because honestly the particles were annoying me, so I just set that off. I made a ME pattern terminal, and that was super easy. All you have to do that is make a regular ME crafting terminal, which you already saw me make, and then add an engineering processor. Super simple. However, while I was making the processors for this, oh, what a pain that was, I realized before I do anything else, I really need to automate my processor processing. Sure, we'll go with that. So as you can see, I have a whole bunch of stuff in my inventory that I am going to use to set up kind of base level automation for the inscribers. I made 4 more of them, so we have a total of 5. Then I have all the presses that we got from the asteroids. That's what they're called. Plus some redstone, some silicon. This is all printed. I'm going to need some regular too, I think. Silicon, yes. I'd made a bunch of silicon in between the episodes as well because I'm going to need a lot of it. I went out to, oh, the sun's rising, or the moon's rising. Sun setting? I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to go to sleep. There we go. I went out to the swamp that's right over there, and there was so much clay. I just gathered up as much as I could. So we have like 556 balls of clay, plus, I used a bunch of it to make the silicon. What else did I do? Not a whole lot that I can think of. I made a void upgrade for this. Just to keep from getting that stone dust and dirt. I just tired of putting it in a drawer, man. Okay, so going about this. Also between the episodes, I ran cable from behind there to over here. You can see we have power, and we have the ME cable that connects to this ME interface right here. Now the way that I'm going to set these up today is very temporary. It's not going to be permanent. Well, it's going to be permanent, but the way that we interact with it is temporary. You'll see what I mean. Let's just get started. So the first thing we need is an inscriber for silicon. And then we'll skip a space, and then we'll do an inscriber. That's not going to help. There's that. Knock these down. Do another space. I kind of tested this out, but I didn't make it fully, so I guess we're gonna have to see. See if I can do it. Okay, so this has the silicon, and then this one can have calculation, engineering. It doesn't really matter what order those go in. And then we need a chest here. And let's start wiring everything up. Everybody needs power. So we can start with that. Power, power. Great. And now everybody's also going to need into here. Okay, so everything that we pull out of all of these is going to go into this chest right here. So, have I really trapped myself in here? I have. All right. So now we've got that. Now this chest is going to be where all of the, like I said, all of the circuits from here and the printed silicon and all that, that's all going to go in here. And then that, everything that goes into here, needs to also be able to come into this. And I'm putting it, I have to put it like this because it needs to input on 3 different sides so that each of these spots gets filled by the right thing. And we don't need that connected at all. So just like that. All right, and then we have to change these to insert. Insert. This will be extract. This will be extract, and then, ugh, really? This will be insert. Okay. And then to get all of the finished products out, we're going to put this on extract, and it'll go right here into this ME interface. You can see there, I was testing it out before. And it works. I can say that this works. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing it. Okay, so this chest needs to have redstone in it, and we'll put in the printed silicon from earlier. Actually, I'll grab one of those. So from here, we want to extract, but we want to give it a filter, because if we just have it extract anything, it'll take the press out too, and we don't want that. So this can only extract printed silicon, always active, and that'll send it right along to that chest, which we can check by clicking on this. Yep, extracted items will be inserted into chest. Cool. Okay, so we need to get silicon into this, and I need another chest. Chest. There it is. I could probably, actually, that's a thought. You know what, we'll handle that in a second, I think. No, we'll do it right now. Okay. We'll put a chest here. And an item conduit here. Insert, extract. And we'll need an item filter. So it will only extract silicon to put in there. And then I'm going to need some more. I'm probably going to need some more. Hello. Let me out. Probably going to need some more filters now that I think about it as well, but that's okay. Conduit. There we go. So this chest will output. Oh, come on. Let me jump. See what I mean about moving around back here being the hardest part? My goodness. Okay, so this will extract back here on brown to insert on brown. And then this in out, insert brown, extract green, in out, insert brown, extract green. Okay. Yeah, that should work. So I don't know if these will automatically only take the correct circuit board. That's a good question. You know, I think it doesn't, and I'm probably going to need more item filters, but we will cross that bridge when we come to it. Okay, so we have silicon going into here. We have printed silicon coming out the back of here and going into this chest. From this chest, we need printed silicon to come in on the bottom. So insert printed silicon. And then from the side, item filter, insert redstone, because that's part of making circuits as well. So if I've done this correctly, if I turn this on, it should automatically put a printed silicon down here and a redstone in here. Let's find out. Always active. Oh, no. Always active. Okay. Did it work? No, it absolutely did not. Oh, because I don't have a filter set up for up here. Okay. No problem. Let's just get up here. Insert. We'll put a blank item filter in there for now so it won't let anything in. And no, seriously. All right. We'll leave it like that for now. We should be able to fix that as soon as we get everything else set up. Okay. So, for these guys, we need to insert. This is the logic press. We need to insert. Which one does logic? I think it's this one. Yeah. So this will be insert intricate circuit boards only. This one will be insert. Is it this one? No. There we go. Basic circuit boards. Perfect. And then the upper one will be insert, I think. Hang on. Yes. Insert refined circuit boards. All right, so now when we put these in here, they should automatically go to the correct inscriber. I hope. And I don't have the outputs on yet. So it might not. Hopefully it won't extract anything, but we'll dump these in here. Turn that to extract always active. And now, there we go, refined, basic, and printed. Yay! And that's not, okay. So the question is, if I extract this, do I need a filter? Let's find out. Well, it extracted something. Oh, there it is. Yep, I do not need a filter. That is great news because I don't have any more filters. I mean, I can make some, obviously, but so inscriber. We have that. Now all we need, I will take these, is to set up this filter on top here. Oh, and I already have a filter in there. I forgot. So that, and that. And that should start. There we go. Automatically making circuits. And then once they're done, they should get extracted directly into the system. There we go. There we go. And there we go. And it's got the next redstone and printed silicon ready to go. Let's check over here to make sure. Yep, there they are, all in the system. Yay! That's awesome. So this is kind of haphazard automation for the moment. We still have to make the circuit boards by hand. We still have to make these by putting the circuits and everything in here. But I did plug this drawer controller into our system. So our system can now read that all of those circuits are in there. So that will help us further automate this later, which is super exciting. Oh, aren't you guys excited? I'm so excited. Let's see. Put that printed silicon on that in there. So yeah, okay. I feel like I forgot to do something. Oh, you know, I think it's. I forgot to turn these to. Yes, always active. Insert, in and out, extract, whoops. And then in and out, extract always active, and then in and out, extract always active. This, extract always active, this, extract always active. We could put the silicon in here and you can see it being processed. And then it should end up right in here. We should see that number go up. Yep, there it is. Yay! I love it when an automation comes together. This is cool. Okay, so when we fully automate this, when we incorporate the carpenters and the AE system, all we're going to have to do is set up an ME interface with this chest. That's it. We won't have to change anything else in this system, which is awesome. The carpenters, obviously, we have to change, but we won't have to do anything else with this printed circuit system. We'll just have to put in an ME interface with recipes or with patterns, and it will load everything that we need from the ME system into this chest. How cool is that? I say pretty darn cool. I'll also probably set up a way for this chest to send redstone over here. That way we can include redstone as part of the pattern. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm pretty excited. Let's go ahead and block up this wall as best we can. There it is. Is this the right? I think so. Because, I mean, we want to make it look good, right? Or at least not look horrible. I can put some cable facades in front of that. Some of the Ender IO cable hidey things. Whatever they're called. And then I can put an anchor, oops, over that one. Pretty nice. And there we go. I also looked into what's next in order to progress, and it's actually not going to be that difficult, but there's a lot of machinery we're going to need, and I'd like to get a couple other things set up first before we do that. Do I have any facade? No. Conduit facade. This is what I want. And then it needs to... I wonder if the conduit facade does the textures. Oh, I made this painting machine a while ago. I don't know if I ever showed that on camera. It's really simple to make. Painting. There we go. That is not how you make it. It's just some electrical steel, a machine chassis, diamond, and some nether quartz. Super duper simple. I think I made that when I was trying to hide the cables from the ME system, but unfortunately it didn't work. Oh, and these are connected textures. Nice. Super nice. I knew there was a reason I liked these more. They're quite expensive considering how expensive conduit facade is, but our conduit stuff is. And that won't open now, but that's okay. Whoops. Let's see. Okay, so we might not be able to facade that one until we get all of this ready to go. Yeah, see, it doesn't work. It is very unfortunate. I don't know if I have any more anchors. No. Well, I have this. That'll have to do for the moment. Eh, looks kind of bleh, but... Finish this up. Dent. Okay. Yeah. I'll make some more facades. Or more cabling. Actually, I can do it right now. Yeah. We have two, so that works out perfectly. There. I just wish when you break the facade, you didn't also break the cable behind it. That kind of irritates me. So that and the no connected textures thing, that also irritates me. But I guess that's my fault for choosing walls that have connected textures. Cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna get some processors made. Circuits, processors, I don't know what they're called. Anyway, yes, I'm gonna get some processors made, and I'll meet you back in just a couple minutes. See you in a few. Okay, we're back. And I wanted to do a run through, and also I need another kind of circuit. Those are stable. I think it's the green ones. Yes. There we go. And there we go. Okay, so I set up another conduit extracting from the bottom, and I put an item filter on it. I don't know if you can even see it. Okay. I put an item filter for redstone, so now if I put, if I take these 11 pieces of redstone and put them in here, you can see they're being taken out of that chest and put into this one. So that's perfect. That will work perfectly for what we need it to do. Okay, so now we'll put this refined circuit board in. It gets taken out of the chest, and you can see it's gone into the correct one. There we go. And there we go. This system works perfectly. I'm so proud. It's very exciting. Okay. So, yep, that and great. So that should be enough circuits to make a crafting unit. You'll have to forgive me. It's been a very long time since I've played with AE. So I'm not really sure of all the things that I need. I think I need a crafting storage. Yeah. Okay. Let me make some more processors and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. And this thing, oh my gosh, it's working like a charm. It's so awesome. It's going to be even more awesome when we can just do it from right in here. Anyway, so like I was saying before, it's been a long time since I've used AE, and back when I used it, I don't know if I ever used like the auto crafting features, so you will have to forgive me if I'm a little bit rusty. There's that. And what? I don't have any coarse glass. There we go. Even that is so much easier than it was before. Not gonna complain about it. Okay, we need another crafting unit. $4K crafting storage. Okay, so I think this is what we need. Oh, my. Okay. Sure. What does this do? I don't know, but it looks cool. Okay, so I think what this means is that I can craft things now. I can automatically craft them, I mean. So let's see if this works. Need to make another ME interface. I didn't just make 4 annihilation cores, did I? No, I didn't. Okay. Networking switchboard, recursive networking. Okay, I actually should have already earned those, but yeah, thanks, why not? So if we put this here and we make a pattern, actually have a bunch of patterns, which is good. I made them earlier when I thought I was going to be able to use them earlier. So let's say processor. I can't just can I? I can't shift click this in. Ah. Crud. Well, looks like it's time to make some more circuits. Oh, wait. Do I have any? No. That's okay. That's okay. We'll just do one for now, and then I'll get the rest later. Have some in there. Okay, it's just bloop, bloop, and bloop. And that, and that, and that. All good. And then I think I have some silicon, I hope. Just some plain. There we go. And a redstone, of course. Okay, so in this pattern terminal, if I put a processing pattern, a circuit board, a silicon, and a redstone will equal see, this is the hard part, the actual automating with AE. Processor, not a circuit. There it is. So that equals one logic processor? No? Why? Crafting pattern. Oh, okay, there we go, processing pattern. Okay. So if we tell the computer that an intricate circuit board plus silicon plus redstone equals a logic processor, then we get the pattern. We go over here. And of course we have to hook everything up. I hope I have enough cable. May have to go under the floor here. Woo! Ow. Or we can just go around like this. I know it's messy, but it's behind the wall, so at least I won't be able to see how messy it is on a daily basis. And then like that. So that should be working. So if I look for a processor, so it says I should be able to craft one, except I don't have the stuff for it. So if I make one of these again, at least I'm going to have plenty of processors, right? That, and that, and that. Pardon me. So we get that. If we put this into the system, then if we click on this, it should it says we have everything we need available. Let me actually pull this stuff out so I know it's not, just so we get everything starting fresh. Whoops. So craft, next, CPU automatic, start. Looks like we've got silicon. And oh my god, guys. Oh my god, it works. Okay. We are halfway there to complete and total processor automation for AE, which will allow us to do so many more cool things, and I'm 100% excited. I'm 110% excited because I really want to start making singularities, because I really want to be able to make a crafting terminal that I can take anywhere. The infinite crafting terminal. Crafting. Where is it? Yeah, the wireless crafting terminal with the infinite upgrade. This is what I want. Yeah. Anyway, That's for another time. First we have to get this finished automating, and then we can make our 64K storage, and then we can move on to singularities. So excited. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I am so happy to have you here, and I hope I'll see you again next time. Bye!